Revenue from the global cosmetic manufacturing market is estimated at $473.38 billion in 2024. The market is forecasted to expand at a 6.4% CAGR and reach a valuation of $878.88 billion by 2034 end. Social media sites, such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and others, are positively influencing the cosmetic manufacturing market growth. Consumer preference for sustainable products is increasing than ever, which is pushing cosmetic manufacturers to use eco-friendly methods. Consumers in several countries are increasingly choosing cosmetics manufactured with organic, natural, and cruelty-free components. Prominent cosmetic manufacturers are launching products with innovative formulas. The North American region is analyzed to lead throughout the projection period with a significant cosmetic manufacturing market share.